Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage ANC and transparency modes on your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro. For a start we should add to the application, and right now you can choose ANC mode right here, and also you can choose how much volume reduce you need. So I have max, or sometimes I use smart. So you can also use it if you want to. And we can turn on, press on transparency mode and turn on transparency mode. Also, you can choose buttons on your headphones. So just press and hold to turn on. Right now it will be transparency mode, and if I press it again, I will turn on ANC mode. Also, if you go into earbud controls, touch and hold, you can also turn on ANC off mode. So you just turn off it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!